It's 8 minutes? Why? No, seriously though.
So, Alex, what have I been asking you to do in terms of videos for the last few weeks?
A reaction video, and we are going to do one to the Death Stranding trailer number 3.
Just as a background, she doesn't know Hideo Kojima's work, so this is going to be fantastic. Yeah, he's the creator of Metal Gear Solid, another very confusing series, and this is significantly more confusing.
Everyone should know that I am an expert gamer, and yeah, when this game comes out, I'm gonna destroy its pants. I always feel like giggling. I don't know why this always happens.
A bang gave birth to time and space.
My cat is so annoying.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which set a planet spinning in that space. Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to life as we know it.
Okay, it's definitely
and then came the next explosion.
Or is it?
The beginning of life. After the apocalypse.
That's actually one of the theories. Norman Reedus is
sexy. What's that?
You'll see. You'll see.
Porter Airlines. He's a pilot. Is that a person or a rock?
Person. What?
Shit, they're here.
Just leave him there!
Norman Reedus' name is Sam.
Don't even breathe.
No, literally don't breathe.
What aren't you telling me? What the fuck?
Oh, this is nothing yet.
Oh my god. They're ghost aliens, I told you. I think they're on Earth, actually, is my new theory.
Their patches say United States.
Yeah, so the United States is now in space. Surrounded by what? They're like weird alien thingies. It's so creepy.
The hand?
No, the bodies.
Yeah.
They're like giant Slendermen. Is this guy bad or good? The babies are alive now? I don't understand.
Oh, it gets worse.
Are those more babies? Oh, it's a body. He's not dying?
No, he's trying to kill himself before this happens.
But didn't the gunshot didn't kill him?
No, he missed.
Oh no, what's gonna happen though?
Who?
He's being abducted. He's being abducted by the aliens. The alien ghosts.
Wait for it.
Stop saying wait for it. It's making me so... Attack on Titan?
No. Maybe. No one really knows, but it's definitely not Attack on Titan.
It's a giant alien life force that needs humans to live. It needs their souls.
It gets weirder, by the way.
How?
Just you wait.
I'm so stressed. I don't know if I'm gonna play this because I don't understand it.
You gotta play this. Coming soon, let's play Death Stranding. Featuring this girl.
Norman.
The graphics look really good.
What the hell is that?
It gets weirder?
So he's underwater in space. There's a whale! Whale to wash. Enterprise. Oh my gosh. Is that Norman again? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How? He was just floating.
Oh, it gets weirder.
It's his soul floating. It's all a dream. Is that a baby being birthed? He ate the baby? How are they floating up into this space? I don't understand. Is the baby not in the to be thing? God.
You're asking like I have answers for any of this.
Because I'm hoping
one
that somehow
does.
you would.
No one does.
He's crying. Why? Because he ate a baby? Okay, but who are those? Are those the people that were up in space with him? They are all connected to that weird human-y thing.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to life as we know it.
A giant Attack on Titan.
And then came the next explosion.
That gave life to more giant titans.
That will be our last.
I think there needs to be another trailer because this explains nothing.
Ah, yeah.
So, what did you think?
I'm really confused and I don't understand what the game is about. That's all I have to say.
If you had to tell people what this game's about, like, what would you say?
I would say it's obviously about a post-apocalyptic world in space, but not really in space because there is some sort of inception going on with aliens that are ghosts and souls and babies being eaten by people because for life.
That's probably one of the most coherent
I
explanations.
think so.
Honestly. Some people think it's like the Big Bang of the universe happening over and over again.
Oh, I like that theory. But there's alien ghosts involved.
In space.
Slender Man, Titan, alien ghosts.
Stranding.
They strand their strands to people's souls. Their strands connect the souls to make them live and not be ghost-like. Not be their black bugwormy.
But why the babies?
No, because they're pure.
Yeah. Well, did the baby disappear?
I'm just gonna stick to simple games like Overwatch and the other game I like so much.
Dragon Age?
Dragon Age.
Battlegrounds?
I haven't played Battlegrounds.
You're
bitch.
gonna. Death Stranding, coming whenever the hell he wants it to come. And she'll be playing.
Hopefully soon, so we'll know what's going down. Oh my god. have been dying to share this with the world because people don't understand. I've always done chocolate advent calendars, but I've been doing it wrong.